I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Jessica.
And we're here to show you that it's all yoga.
It's all yoga.
So we want to start just by showing you our physical traits. Believe it or not, Jessica and I are the same height. However, when you look at our bodies, you can realize none of our limbs aren't all the same. Yet, we are more than capable of getting into yoga postures, and that's what we really want to share with you today.
So, we have Jack, all leg and arms. We have me, I'm all torso. But when we get into a pose, you're going to see it's all yoga.
So we're going to step to the mat, and we're going to show you what we got.
Here we are in Warrior One. And what we really want you to see here is with my short legs, I do have a much shorter stance. And with Jack's long legs, she has a much more spread out stance. But we're really focusing on our hips square to that front of the mat. We're pressing into both feet equally. And we are both in Warrior One. The oil that we've chosen for this is Brave. This pose is all about courage. So you're a courageous warrior. And with this oil, we're actually going to apply it to our solar plexus. And you can do the entire belly here. And so we're all about thinking about courageous, strong warrior, and then find your drishti, find that focal point, stare, think of courageous thoughts, and then smile because we're happy, strong warriors. When we take the stills in a second, we're going to show you an ankle injury that Jack has on her other foot and how her back foot does not want to point forward in Warrior One, but she is still doing yoga. It's all yoga. Notice this foot, it doesn't want to turn forward. But instead of hurting her body, she's just going to modify this pose, either taking it to more like a crescent pose, or if she wants to, she's going to take it where it feels more comfortable, a little bit more like a warrior too. So we're not here to hurt our bodies. We want to be doing yoga a very long time. And if we need to make modifications because of injuries or our body's shape, then we're going to do that. Namaste.
Namaste.